Okay, so in order to copy your plans from your group planner to your own lesson planner, here's how you want to do that. You want to go into the group planner, and then what you want to do is go into the week planner. So if you go over here to this button and you go to View Weeks Plans. Okay, now you can see the week's plans. Now you're going to go over here to Copy Wizard, and you're going to choose Copy to My Planner. And then you can choose Copy a Day, or you can choose Copy a Week. Okay, so if you want to leave it as Copy a Day, Copy a Week might be easier. I'm just going to leave it there for now. And then you just click Next, and it says you're going to select the day to be copied. Let's say I want that to be today, so September 4th. I'm going to click Next, and then I need to choose the day that it's going to go into my planner. I'm going to choose the 4th, and then I'm going to click Next, and then I'm going to click Finish. And that's going to move all these plans on in the team planner for Tuesday, September 4th to my planner on Tuesday, September 4th. Okay? Hope that helps. Let me know if you needed something different. Thanks.